Big names on the list included former President Bill Clinton and Prince Andrew. Nearly 200 names that had previously been redacted from court documents in a lawsuit against Jeffrey Epstein's former lover and accomplice Ghislaine Maxwell have been made public on orders of a federal judge in New York. U.S. District Judge Loretta Preska ordered their release in December but gave the Jane and John Does 2 weeks in case they wanted to appeal. Big names on the list included former President Bill Clinton, his estranged longtime aide Doug Band, Prince Andrew, and the French modeling agent Jean-Luc Brunel, who like Epstein died while awaiting trial. Epstein had many high-profile connections, including former U.S. presidents, foreign prime ministers and Britain's Prince Andrew, as well as Hollywood stars, leading academics, people in the modeling and fashion industries and other public figures. Some of the names were previously known through other means despite having been withheld from the public's eye in the lawsuit. Many of the names belong to people who have not been accused of wrongdoing. Other names unsealed Wednesday included billionaire Glenn Dubin and his former private chef Ronaldo Rizzo, David Copperfield, Tony Figueroa, Limited Brands founder and former Victoria's Secret CEO Lex Wexner, and Epstein accusers such as Johanna Schuberg and Annie Farmer. Schuberg, according to a deposition in the lawsuit, claimed that Epstein once told her, "Clinton likes them young," referring to girls, and that Copperfield, a friend of Epstein's, did some magic tricks at dinner. In a typo-filled email from Epstein to Maxwell, the sex trafficker accused Giuffre of fabricating her allegations against him and mentioned one, Stephen Hawking, and an underage orgy. Previously released documents revealed that Rizzo claimed Epstein and Maxwell once visited Dubin's house with a disoriented, 15-year-old Swedish girl who told him the couple asked her for sex and that her passport had been taken. Several were withheld for various reasons, including names of some of Epstein's underage victims and at least one person who the judge said had been falsely identified. Dubin and his wife, Eva Anderson Dubin, who had previously dated Epstein, have previously denied any knowledge of the late financier's behavior. Jeffrey Epstein accuser mocks, nervous, associates set to be named. Who's on the naughty list? The names were all previously redacted documents in a lawsuit against Maxwell from Virginia Giuffre, an Epstein accuser who said he trafficked her to his private island, Little St. James, in the U.S. Virgin Islands before her 18th birthday. The parties settled out of court in 2017. She also sued and received a settlement from Prince Andrew. In a separate criminal case, Maxwell was sentenced to 20 years behind bars for sex trafficking Epstein's victims.